FBB, E-Zone, Raymond's, Total Sport Fitness, the Srimati Sulochna Devi Singhania School, Friends Cooperative School, Victor Tiles, just to name a few of them. Regularly, she conducts training sessions and workshops on facets of grooming, general and dining etiquette, and having trained more than 2,000 learners. So please welcome onto the podium with a huge round of applause, Miss Nisha Zaveri.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot. First of all, a very warm good afternoon to everyone. I'm sure you guys are waiting for the next moment to come, right? Which will be the most important moment for all of us, right? So, how was your day going so far? Great, lots of learning. I'm sure even we all are learning from each other, isn't it? It's like we are feeling like women power today, isn't it? Real empowerment, absolutely. Okay, so let me begin with a small story, okay? There was one small girl. It's a story about a girl, the fish and the great grandmother, okay? So there was a small girl, she went into the kitchen and she was observing her mom baking fish. Okay, she was baking fish in the kitchen and she was observing. So her mom, what she did, she chopped off the head of the fish and the tail of the fish and she put the fish in the frying pan. She was observing but she couldn't understand. She said, Mom, why did you chop off the head and the tail of the fish? What did mom say? She said, I do it always that way. No, but why, Mom? Why are you chopping off the head and the tail of the fish? So then mom thought for a while. She said, maybe my mom used to do like that. So then, but she was not convinced. You know, small children are so curious. She was not convinced with the answer. She said, okay, Mom, let's go to your mom's place. Let's go to my nanny's house, grandmother's house. So both of them, what did they went to their granny's house. They went there and they asked to their granny that why do you bake the fish in a certain way? So granny said, that's the way I've always done it. So I said, no, but why? Why? So granny said that because my mom used to do it. So she was confused now, but she was not getting her answer what she wanted, right? So, okay, no, let's go to the great grandmother's house. So the little girl with her mom, they both went to, and her mom, they both went to the great grandmother's house. Then she asked her that, Granny, why do you bake the fish in certain manner? Then she remembered, she said, because my frying pan was small, no? Right? So what happens over here? What do? We blindly follow everyone in our family. Whatever everyone is doing, we do. Why? Because this is called conditioning. Just because मेरी मम्मी ने किया था तो मैं भी ऐसे ही कर रही हूँ, मेरे बॉस ऐसे कर रहे तो मैं भी ऐसे. We don't question. Do we question or we just blindly follow? What do? Yeah. Absolutely, yeah. We are the smarter generation, so we Google. But what our moms used to do, हाँ मेरी मम्मी भी वही करती थी, इतने सालों से करती आ रहे तो मैं भी वही कर रही हूँ. But what happens? We are totally conditioned. So we don't learn anything new, right? So in order to learn anything new, what you have to do? You have to uncondition yourself, right? Like for example, today is a wonderful seminar, but whenever we go to attend a seminar or a training, what do? अब तू सिखाएगी मेरे को कि मुझे क्या करना है, isn't it? Like because since I am into image consulting and training, I conduct lot of sessions where there are senior most and more experts than me, right? So do you think they're going to listen to me? अब तू आके सिखाएगी कि मुझे क्या करना है, जिसको सेल्स में सालों का एक्सपीरियंस है, I teach them selling skills. But then there's a way how to uncondition, like through some icebreaker or activity, or make them expert or make them feel important, right? Like here also we have so many experts in the room. So if you count the total number of experience, कितना experience होगा पूरे room में? If you count everyone's experience, it will total up to more than 1,000 years, isn't it? So we need to really uncondition ourselves, rub everything, and then we are ready to absorb anything new, right? So how are we today, conditioned or unconditioned? Sure. Okay, great, fantastic. Okay, let me share you another small story. Once upon a time there was a woodcutter. Woodcutter means क्या बोलते थे उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं? लकड़हारा. So that लकड़हारा was in the search of a job. Okay, वो कहाँ पे जॉब ढूंढने जाएगा? जंगल में. Obviously लकड़ियाँ काटनी है, पेड़ काटने, तो वो जंगल में जा रहा था, फॉरेस्ट में जा रहा था. उनको जॉब चाहिए था. तो फाइनली ही गॉट हिज ड्रीम जॉब एंड ही वाज हैप्पी कि मैं कल से ना पूरे जोश में with lot of my energy I'm going to come and I'm going to start working. ठीक है, वो आया डे 1. उसने पेड़ कितने काटे डे 1 में? 20. कितने काटे? He was so happy. उनको तो डेली वेजेस मिलते हैं ना. He got his daily wages. He was very happy. He went back home smiling. Next day आया, वही जोश से उन्होंने पेड़ काटे. कितने पेड़ काटे सेकेंड डे? 19. Okay, then again similarly by the end 15 days हो गए, लेकिन अभी उसने कितने काटे? वही जोश से आ रहा था. He was like full hard work, dedication. फिर कितने काटे? सिर्फ 5. 15 दिन पे कितने पेड़ कटे उससे? सिर्फ 5 पेड़ कटे. Then he said कुछ गड़बड़ है, तो वो उसने अपने बॉस को जाके बोला कि सर I think I am not doing justice to my job. I think I should be out of the job because I am not giving you that much productivity. Right? So his boss just asked him one question. क्या पूछा रहेगा उसने? बॉस ने क्या पूछा रहेगा? वो fantastic. Please clap for her. What did the boss ask? Did you sharpen your? Yes. Sorry. Target audience. बहुत सारे थे. जंगल था तो जंगलों में तो पेड़ ही पेड़ होते हैं. So but finally what did his boss ask? That did you sharpen your axe? तो बोलते वो तो मैं भूल ही गया. तो हम भी क्या करते हैं? Are we sharpening our skills? हम रोज running race भागते हैं. We all are running a rat race, isn't it? We get up in the morning, we go for job. Do we sharpen our skills? Do we look after our grooming skills? Do we take care of ourselves? Fantastic. That is why we are here today. So what do you understand when I talk about grooming? Anyone? Anyone? Yes, please. Perfect. Yeah, so that is also fantastic. Unlearn and then relearn it, right? Okay, yes. Obviously, you have to go further than that. That's the spirit. Okay, now here when we talk about grooming, grooming means taking care of yourself from head to toe. Isn't it? And how are you going to take care of yourself? Like we are talking about self-esteem, confidence, your skills, everything matters, but grooming does matter. Right? Taking care of your hair. Like, you have come, you all know that you have to come for an event today. Weren't you all well groomed and well dressed up? I'm sure most of you all must have gone to the parlors yesterday, day before yesterday. Yes or no? You must have worn the best attire. Why? So how was your feeling today morning? I want to ask you all. Yes. How was the feeling? Very charged up because you wore the best of dress. You put the best of makeup, the best of perfume, isn't it? And we all are looking so gorgeous over here, right? All the women and gentlemen as well. Right? So what is that thing? Grooming means what? Taking care of your hair, your skin. Like, we are so busy, but we don't take care of our skin. We don't hydrate ourselves. We don't drink enough water, right? And taking care of our nails, very important. Our nails has to be really well manicured. Not necessary you have to go and spend and go to the spa every now and then. At home also you can take care of your nails. You can take care of your skin, isn't it? Then there's this mouth odor. What do you understand by bad mouth odor? थोड़ी भी स्मेल या बदबू आई ना मुंह से, सामने वाला आपके भाग जाएगा. आपका इतना अच्छा दोस्त होगा लेकिन वो वहां से निकल जाएगा. वो बोलेगा नहीं क्योंकि it's a very embarrassing moment for someone if someone tells you that तेरे मुंह से बास आ रही है. But don't you think we need to take care of these small things? It's like elephants don't bite, but mosquitoes do, right? So we need to take care of our brushing. We have to brush twice, rinse our mouth after every meal what we eat, right or wrong? So your mouth odor, your body odor also, very, very important. How many of you all, most of you are working for corporate, I'm sure you must have come across such person who is really smelling. When they open their mouth, you feel, you just go 2 steps back, right or wrong? Yes, so, but people will not tell you, they will disconnect from you, right? We have even heard that divorces are happening because of that. Have you heard? Yes. So we need to take care of these things also, and grooming also includes taking, because see, when you see a person, what do you see the most? His body language, his clothing, and his grooming. Most of you all are into big designations and all. You all must have also interviewed many people. How do you take a call on the interview? When a person steps, just he's outside the cabin, you have already decided whether I'm going to take him or not, right or wrong? Any of the HRs would tell me, am I right or wrong? You've already decided that you're going to hire him or not. How do you decide it? Appearance, the clothing, grooming, and his body language, that is his facial expressions, how confident he is. जैसे बोलते हैं ना, grooming का 3 step है, 10, 20, 30 rule of grooming. What is that? आपके पहले 10 कदम, people will observe that, how you walk. आपके पहले 20 inches, you should be smiling always, right? You will say that मैं ना पार्टी में जाऊंगी, मैं मुंह बंद रखूंगी तो किसी को समझ में नहीं आएगा मेरे अंदर क्या चल रहा है, right or wrong? People will still understand what is going inside you. So it is that, not that you cannot not communicate when you're keeping your mouth shut, right? So आपके पहले 10 कदम बहुत important, the way you walk, you know, that shows your confidence. Then your first 20 inches, like, you know, how you're smiling, your presentable face, very important. And your first 30 words, when you meet a stranger for the first time, your first 30 words, what you vomit it out, it's very, very important. बोलते ना कि ये कितनी सुंदर दिखती है लेकिन वो मुंह खोलेगी तो खत्म है ना. So all these things are very important as a part of your grooming, right? And what else? Your shoes need to be polished, and especially for women, your nails, if you have nail polish which is chipped off, so please remove it. It's a big image breaker, right? Most of the women, we are so busy in a hurdle rat race. नेल पॉलिश थोड़ा निकल जाता है तो हम निकालते नहीं है, ऐसे ही रखते हैं. दैट इज अगेन अ बिग इमेज ब्रेकर, राइट? ओके, नाउ ठीक है, जैसे हमने बोला ऑनिमस गेट सेट गो, फ्रॉग्स ने क्या करना शुरू कर दिया? हॉपिंग. दे स्टार्टेड हॉपिंग, राइट? और ऑडियंस ने क्या करना शुरू कर दिया? चीयर अप. लेकिन वो कैसे चीयर अप था? अरे छोड़ यार, तू नहीं पहुंच पाएगा, तू कर ही नहीं पाएगा, अरे तू करके देखो क्या मिलने वाला है, क्या बड़ी ट्रॉफी मिलने वाली है ऐसी, छोड़ यार, तू बेफिक्र अपनी एनर्जी वेस्ट कर रहा है, तेरी पूरी एनर्जी खत्म हो जाएगी, मत जा. ऐसे करते करते सारे फ्रॉग्स निकल गए कंपटीशन में से, लेकिन एक ही फ्रॉग था जो कंपटीशन जीत गया. बाकी सारे फ्रॉग्स, वो क्यों जीता? फैंटास्टिक, ही वाज. सिमिलरली हमें भी क्या करना है? यानी इतनी नेगेटिविटीज हमारे लाइफ में आती है, किन से आती है? हमारे लोगों से ही आती है, हमारे फैमिली मेंबर्स से ही आती है, हमारे नियर एंड डियर वंस, राइट? अरे थक जाएगी, इतना काम क्यों करती है, क्यों वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस, लाइक यू नो, व्हाई यू वांट टू डू ब्ला ब्ला होता है. तो हम क्या करते हैं? उनकी बातें सुनते नहीं सुनते हैं, लेकिन अगर हमें हमारा गोल सामने है, जैसे वो फ्रॉग को गोल था कि उसे रनिंग रेस जीतना है, राइट? तो अगर हम हमारा गोल सामने रखेंगे ना, तो हमें कोई भी दुनिया की ताकत हमें हरा नहीं सकती. it's said no that it is impossible is nothing but I am possible, right? क्यों top 500 fortune companies में सिर्फ 13% of the women are there in the corporate? Why is it like that? You know, किसी भी आदमी को पूछो ना कि sir you are amazing, तो what will you respond? Sir, you're amazing in your work. What will you reply? Thank you. And what else? Like typically a man will reply like, yes, वो तो मैं हूँ, like, you know, I am passionate, I am hardworking and I deserve it. But whereas अगर कोई women को पूछा जाए कि how are you in your work, तो आप क्या बोलेंगे? Doing fine, like, you know, and then she'll say, oh, it's because of my husband's support और ये और वो. I'm sure आप लोगों को यहाँ पे ट्रॉफी देने के लिए बुलाएंगे, हम वही बोलने वाले. क्या बोलेंगे? अरे मेरे हस्बैंड का सपोर्ट, इन लॉज, मेरे बच्चों, उनके बिना हम खुद नहीं है क्या? Right? So what do we, first thing when we come to get a trophy, what are we going to say? I deserve it. What are we going to say? It's your hard work, it's your passion that you are here, not because of anyone else. Right? See, we need to, of course, give a sense of gratitude. We give it to God also, no? कि हाँ सुबह, thank you, I'm alive. Right? Gratitude तो देना ही है, but before that, किसको देना है? I deserve this, that is why I'm here, isn't it? So thank you so much, and just one small video for y'all. Thank you.
When I am down and oh my soul so weary, when troubles come and my heart burdened be, then I am still and wait here in the silence until you come and sit a while with me. You raise me up so I can stand on mountains. You raise me up to walk on stormy seas. I am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. When I am on your shoulders, you raise me up to more than I.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to India's first corporate news channel. We invite interviews, articles, press releases from your organization. Visit our portal www.indianconventions.com. Thank you.